Why use our services versus using an attorney? Because you stand to collect more money with our services through lower costs and better results. Let's analyze what an attorney will charge a client for taking on an overtime violation case. They will work with that individual on what we call a contingency basis, which means they will get paid when the client gets paid. In other words, they will get a percentage of the money they recover for the client, and typically that's going to be between 40 and 50%. Another thing to keep in mind is that the attorney will want to settle out of court for a faster turnaround so they can collect their portion of the money that much faster. And to do this, they will entice the employer to settle out of court by aggressively reducing the amount that's owed to their client. Let's take a look at an actual case that'll explain this further. Here, in this case, you'll see that the employee was eligible for over $23,000 in back pay. What you'll also see is that the attorney decided to settle out of court for a quick turnaround and got his client $5,000 of the back pay, and the attorney collected over $2,500 for their services. So let's take a look at the results of this. Here you'll see the $23,000 that was rightfully owed to the employee, but the attorney gave up over $15,000 of that money in order for the employer to want to settle out of court. In addition to this, the attorney made $2,500 for their services, and the client made $5,000 out of the potential $23,000 that was owed to him. So let's see how the employee could have done with our services. Here we have the same $23,000 that's owed to the employee, but you'll see that the only cost to the employee could have been and would have been $35.95 for handling the complaint. And the employee would have netted out $23,000 instead of the $5,000. So with overtime back pay, it's a smart way to get the money that's owed to you.